Hello traders. After 1 month of running the Gold Pips V3 Expert Advisor, the current total balance is $1,290.20. This video is the third video of the Gold Pips V3 Expert Advisor discussion. If you haven't watched the previous video, you can check the previous video for an explanation of how Gold Pips V3 works. Okay, of course I've also shared this Gold Pips V3 Expert Advisor for free on the HG Trade subscribe channel. In this video I will say a few things. If you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel and of course it's free. You will get a free Expert Advisor along with the reasons when I upload the video. Make sure you turn on notifications so you can find out every time I upload a video. One. How to run the Expert Advisor and terminal that I use. Okay, get on with it. After you download the Expert Advisor, put the Expert Advisor file in the Expert Advisor folder. Then after that you can double-click the Expert Advisor so that the pair chart appearsXAU/USD will appear as in the video. The terminal that I use is version 4 build 1361. And of course I have tested this Expert Advisor and it can run. I run this Gold Pips V3 Expert Advisor with a capital of $1,000. And the current balance is around $1,290, even though it's currently floating minus $12. If you ask what preset do I use, you can pay attention to the preset that I use like this. These are default presets. 2. Detailed explanation of the results of live trading so the capital can grow to $1,290.20. For more details, I have connected my Gold Pips V3 trading account to mixbook.com account. You can see the details here. $1,000 deposit. The current balance is $1,290. Profit $290. Estimated daily profit of 1.11%. Monthly 29.02%. And the drawdown that has occurred is around 18%. I suggest you at least try the CA using a capital of $1,000. Or you can use a cent account first. But before using a real account, I advise you to make observations first on a demo account for at least 1 month until you are sure to decide to switch to a real account. You can see the growth balance here. From December 29, 2022 I will run it. And on January 20, 2023 the capital will be $1,290. For details, you can pay attention to the chart. And this is the history of the drawdown. Further information on advanced statistics. A total trading history of 309 transactions for 1 month. With a ratio of 64% won to 36% lost. Besides that you can also pay attention to the average win, average loss, and profit factor. The conclusion is that for 1 month this Expert Advisor is reliable enough to make a profit. But I don't know whether this Expert Advisor will still generate profits in the future. On December 29th I started trading with a capital of $1,000. And is still active today. There are some transactions that are still floating. And there is one sell stop order that is still not executed. I will check the biggest loss, which is $118, and the biggest gain of $109. Then for the longest trading duration it can reach 9 days. I will also see the history of transactions that have occurred on the chart. You can also pay attention here for your consideration whether you are sure to use this CA or not. Some transactions are open both ways, buy and sell, and will close if the profit target has been reached. Monthly analytics. In December 2022 get only 2% profit. Because starting from December 29th, only 2 days. And in January 2023 get 26.48%. 3. Kara Download Expert Advisor. To get this expert advisor, you can visit the website that I have created at appearsXAU.com. Okay, that's the video regarding the review for more than a month using EA Gold Pips V3. Hopefully this video can give you an idea. I hope one day you can be financially successful. Thanks for watching till the end. Support this channel by clicking like and share. Thank you.